Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to track DHL package online. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to track DHL package online. So let's get started. So guys, to track DHL package online, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search for DHL and simply press enter. So guys, there you can see the first link, DHL Home Global Logistic and International Shipping. So click on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the DHL official website. So guys, DHL is a courier company. So that helps people to receive and send their packages in different countries and cities where you want. So guys, to track your order, here you can see the option of track your shipment. So guys, when you place your order, you will receive a tracking number to track your order. So what you have to do, you have to simply enter that tracking number here and click on track. So by this you can track your order. So after that you can see this option DHL Express reference tracking. So click on it. So guys, if you don't have tracking number, so you can easily track your order by reference. Means what you have to do, you have to simply enter the shipment reference and then you have to enter your account number and then the destination and after that the date range and simply click on track and then you can easily track your order. So guys, as you can see, we have tracked DHL package online. So you can also track DHL package online by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.